Hello everyone. Everything I'm about to show you has been tested by professional mechanics here in the shop, so relax. We're almost ready to fix it. The first thing you need to know is that this system depends on several things. A telematics unit, the famous TCU or TCB module, the roof antenna that looks like a shark fin, and of course, software and mobile communication. If any of these parts fail or get misconfigured, the message appears. That's why your BMW can keep running fine, but the SOS system says, hey, better not take the risk. Now, the most common issue according to the mechanics here is the internal battery of the telematics module. Yes, that small battery that powers the SOS system wears out over the years, and when it runs low, the module gets nervous and triggers the warning. Many have fixed the problem just by replacing that internal battery, which is much cheaper than replacing the whole module. Some even bravely do it themselves through the base of the shark fin antenna on the roof. If the battery isn't the issue, the next suspect is the antenna or the telematics module itself. Loose connectors, moisture, or water damage can confuse the system and cause the error. Some mechanics here have had to replace the entire antenna or module to get everything back to normal. But in many cases, simply checking connections and securing the module fixes the problem. You also have to consider software or electronic glitches. Sometimes the module is perfectly fine, but the system gets confused due to a communication error between modules. Several owners who came here have solved the problem with an official software update using ISTA or even scanners like Bimmerlink or Carly, which allow you to clear and recalibrate the system without replacing any parts. Before running to the shop and spending a fortune, there are a few steps many mechanics recommend. First, restart the iDrive. Then disconnect the battery for a few minutes to do an electrical reset. Next, check that the SOS module SIM card is properly seated and clear any error codes with a compatible scanner. In many cases, this alone makes the message disappear and your BMW goes back to being calm and connected. And here's a detail few people know. Sometimes the message appears due to external conditions like heavy rain, fog, or even a minor bump that caused no visible damage. The module gets sensitive and prefers to warn you rather than take a risk. After driving a bit, or once the sensors are dry and the battery stable, the error often goes away on its own. So before you panic, remember, this message doesn't mean your car is dead. The most likely cause is a weak internal battery, a tricky connector, or a software glitch. With a few simple steps, many mechanics have gotten BMWs back to normal, without spending a fortune and without losing their cool.